Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to recover TikTok account without email or mobile number. I will show you two methods. One of them will work with you, God willing. The first thing that you should do is simply go and open TikTok application on your phone, then choose the first option, use phone, email, or username. And of course, you do not have the phone or email. So simply it will navigate you to this page. Just click on the question mark on the top right side. Then here it will show you here these options. Choose logging in. Then here it will show you here recover account. So click on TikTok username. Then after that, you'll have to provide your username, of course, in order to help you. Then click on next. And after that, here it will show you here the email. Of course, we do not have the email to recover the account. So I will simply click on need help. Then here you should type them a small message that you have lost your email. Just type a very quick message demonstrating your problem in brief. Then click on report. So here I have typed this message, then click on report. And that was the first method. The second method is to simply go and open your browser on your phone, then search for TikTok feedback. So now I have searched for TikTok feedback, then click on share your feedback. It will navigate you through this page. Just type here any email address that you can have access to, not the one that you forgot for this email. Then type your username on TikTok. Then here in this section, in the topic section, you should simply click on select an option, then choose general account inquiry. Then down below it, you will find another option called tell us more. Just click on it, then choose login issue or recover account. Then here in this description box, you can type the same message that I have shown you half a minute before to tell them exactly what's your problem. And here you can provide some images that prove that you are the owner of the account if necessary, but this is optional. Then you can simply send them these feedback. And one of these two options should work with you and you will recover your email soon. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.